Welcome, Joyful Warriors, to Teacher Truth Tuesday. Each week, we'll be bringing you stories from inside our public schools, stories shared by parents, teachers, and community members, stories ignored by CCSD. We will not be silent. Today's episode is personal, and more importantly, it's disturbing. The Clark County School District has chosen to do nothing. I recently filed a formal complaint against 4 CCSD librarians who carried out a campaign of bullying, harassment, and racial discrimination against me personally, amongst many other people. Each of them have used their positions as CCSD employees to attack and smear organizations and push their ideology on children. Here in their own words, they are saying that their whiteness makes them superior and they feel that they need to save me. Think about this, an educated Black woman and community leader, yet in their eyes, I'm beneath them. Someone to rescue and control. That's not allyship, it's racism. And if they treat me this way, how are they treating Black students in their schools? These librarians are labeling Moms for Liberty as domestic terrorists on social media, not just attacking the group, but tagging me personally, trying to publicly smear my name. And they're doing this while on the clock as district employees. And here possibly is the most disturbing thing. A young Black boy posted online holding a pride flag, used as a political prop. Did his parents consent? Do they even know? Or was this a case of activist educators exploiting children for their own agenda? I can assure you, this is exploitation, it's indoctrination, and a violation of trust. And now we learn this. There has been so many complaints about these librarians that CCSD actually changed their district emails so they could keep spreading their hate and racism towards Black and brown children without accountability. Think about that. Instead of protecting families, the district protected the librarians. So in the end, nothing meaningful was done. In fact, they made it worse for us and better for them. Why does this matter? If CCSD ignores behaviors this blatant, what else are they ignoring? If this is how they allow employees to treat me, a parent leader with different views, how are they treating children with different views in the classroom? Black families, Hispanic families, white families. Every parent deserves this assurance. Your child is being educated, not indoctrinated, protected, not exploited. When the district refuses to act, it sends a clear message. Bias, hate, and retaliation is acceptable in CCSD. And that should concern every single one of us. This is what Teacher Truth Tuesday is about, putting truth out. No more hiding, no more silence, no more gaslighting. We will continue to speak up. We will continue to organize, and we will continue to demand answers. Thank you, Joyful Warriors, for tuning in. I'm Yadasha Jones, and we want to hear your stories. So send them in because your voice matters. And as always, we do not co-parent with the government.